Good afternoon, it's Dr. Gary on the road with Dr. Gary. The name of our company is Healthcare Practice Sales LLC. We're involved in the sale of dental practices from a senior doctor selling to a younger doctor. We handle that brokerage. Our website is dentalpracticeguide.com. Our phone number is 201-663-0935. All the information that we're giving you today is more for entertainment purposes. This is not legal advice. It's not business advice. Speak to your CPA accountant and your attorney for that. But our number is 201-663-0935. Call us 24/7, 363 days a year, and we will be happy to help you. We take off Christmas and Easter. Also, today's topic is how long does it take to sell a dental practice, to go to the final closing table? Well, the good news is if you have qualified people, qualified attorneys, dental attorneys that are assisting you, there's a good chance that you'll get this procedure done faster rather than slower. We urge you to use dental attorneys, guys that have dental experience that are doing 3, 4, 5 deals a month. That's a dental attorney, not somebody who's a friend and says he knows contracts. We got to be very careful of that. So the average time it does take to sell, if you are using dental attorneys, if not, it could take forever. The shortest time period I sold one was in 10 days, and the longest time period was 2.5 years. It gets crazy. So it generally will take you 6 to 9 months to sell. The average time to closing was once you get your letter of intent, the time to go to the closing table should take 45 to 60 days to 90 days if there's real estate involved. Those are some rough time periods. Somewhere in that time period, it should go to closing. But there is always delays. It will always take far longer than you expect. There's so many things that get wrong because there's so many moving parts. You have 10 moving parts: buyer, seller, buyer's accountant, seller's accountant, doctors, selling doctor's attorney, buying doctor's attorney, bank attorney, landlord attorney. 10 moving parts. When you sell to a private individual, it's usually about 60% chance the deal will go through. About 40% of the times it doesn't. For a variety of reasons, it doesn't go through. If you're selling to a private equity company, probably is an 85% chance that the deal will go through because they're focused, they know what they're doing. Often the young buyers don't know exactly what they want and they start getting nervous and they pull out of the deal. Or oftentimes, sometimes it's the seller. The seller decides he's not ready to sell, he's not going to have enough money in retirement. So that affects it. The average selling price for a dental practice is, between 65 and 74%, but there's a lot of parameters. If it's a Medicaid practice or specialty, it's going to go down to 50 or below. Nobody even wants Medicaid practices now, so it's something to be aware of. But the time it takes, I'd say, 60 days is a good time. 45 days, not bad. Often it will take 90 days. It depends with personnel. How fast is the seller willing to get the paperwork? That is the tax returns, procedure code analysis, the profit and loss, all these things. How soon is the seller willing to get that to you? Sometimes it takes a while. All right. Thank you.